Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is January's Cakes, and today I'm going to show you how I made that 3D soccer ball cake. It's all edible. Let's go. All you need is this mold. You can use any mold, but that's a baking dish. So the very base of that 3D cake is actually melted chocolate. So you have to melt it and then freeze it, and then you get this really hard, tough chocolate at the base. It's not gonna go anywhere. So I drilled a hole in there, but in the process I sort of cracked it, so I had to melt it and put it back together. So if you can see there's a hole there, that's where our dowel will go. And then what you need to do is you just need to build the cake inside that mold. So you have to have two halves. So this is the top half, and of course I've already made the bottom half that has the chocolate bottom, as you can see right there. So all you need to do, remember, there's already a hole under there, so all you need to do is you just slip it in that dowel, and then this acts like a glue here, the buttercream. And then you have to put the other half. Again, you have to add a buttercream for it to stick. And there you go. It is so easy. Now you have your ball. And then you just have to fill in the cracks, those nooks and crannies with buttercream. So what I did here is that I wrapped it with cling wrap here so that I can literally massage the ball to make a perfect sphere shape. And that's exactly what I'm doing here. And then after that, all you have to do is to cover it with fondant. Well, you have to remove the cling wrap first, which is what I did. So cover it with fondant, and then make sure that you remove the seams, and then you have to tuck it in and then smooth it, and there you go, perfect round. So let's start with these hexagon little shapes here, and all you have to do is to cut out those shapes. Look at me there. I actually bought a soccer ball there from the dollar store. It's a small one, so that I have a pattern. If you need help, it's better. I mean, it's what, like $3? So you can invest and then you can copy it exactly. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. It's so easy. I did this in probably less than 2 hours. And then after that, I just added, tiny details in the seams, and it's ready to go. I am so happy. Now, so all you have to do is to put it up top there. And of course, you have to cover, the seams. So that's what I'm doing here. Those are a bit of grass. And then finishing touches for the cake. Little tiny soccer balls here. Well, there I had to put a little bit there so that it's a bit, even. And then I put this little design here, and we are almost done. Well, I am so happy this turned out. If you have any questions, please do let me know. Take care. Bye.